versatility of using these sinking lines is we can use this clear intermediate to work the shallow water earlier in the day. Sunlight comes up. In case we've got wind seems to be dropping here and it's getting calmer, those fish are going to be a little more suspicious of coming into the shallow, so they'll move to the edges or into that 10, 12, 14 feet of water, and we can just change our sinking line choice up to perhaps a slightly faster sink rate and go down and get them. All right, so we're going to count this down. So what that means is I'm going to make my cast. Again, transfer the line up into the fingers, a couple of quick rips to straighten out the line, and I'm just actually going to use my watch, and we'll start with 20 seconds. Just let that sink down, and that's the countdown method. Let it sink for a 10 count, retrieve the fly. 15 count, retrieve the fly. 20 count, retrieve the fly. How many counts down was that one?
Well, this one I brought in and let the angle shift to 45, yeah. So I brought it in on a regular strip for about 10, and then I stopped and I let it go down, maybe to like a 10 count.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, now you've got that fly line moving up through the water like, oh,
there
we go. I stopped
at
it to
angle.
Explain. Oh, this feels like a good fish,
yeah,
Bob. This feels like a good fish. This one's...
I might have to pull the anchor on this one.
Oh yeah, this one's... Look at the water out there. We'll keep the rod tip high to give him drag, but he's got high rod tip, and then I'll give him side pressure. But whatever I got here, it's feeling heavy, and it's not coming in anytime soon.
I tell you what, Bill, just because it's happened to me, I'm pulling the back anchor.
Yep.
For some reason, when I'm double anchored and I get a big fish, it is the back anchor that's going to get him.
Well, he just pounded this. Like I say, I stopped, and then it just got heavy, and then that rod tip, you see the throb, 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 and you kind of look at it.
Exciting.
You look at your rod tip going, what's going on with that?
This is Finger Lake.
Yeah.
This is, we're right between Boisseau and Palmer, and
well, like I say, we're not even. I checked. It was, I think, 9 minutes from the time I fired up the van to sitting on the lakeshore. 9 minutes.
We have
this is a nice
trout fishing. Look at this.
This is a nice fish. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna go back, and people are gonna go, Alaska. Yeah, there's some great lake fishing there. What about the river fishing? Alaska has rivers? Look at this. This is a nice fish. Oh, that's a nice fish. That's got to be.
There you go. Congratulations.
That's as good as any rainbow I've caught anywhere else in North America.
Guys,
Holy
this is
smokes.
a quality Matsu Valley fish.
Stillwater capital of Alaska, right here. That carry again. That fish is a good 24 inches.
This is typical.
Look at the size of that fish. Gotta come to Alaska for this. The Matsu region. Rent a car, bring your flow tube, good collection of dragon nymphs and some sinking lines. You can get fish like this. Look at that. God, that's magnificent. That's a big male. Let him recover.
It is a beauty. Yeah. Oh, I want to get a still shot.
Oh, he's gone.
I need to get one of those on the camera.
Sure. We'll put that up.
Post it up, but...
yeah, because you've got that all on the website for your...
Oh, yeah.
For your hotel. The Trout's Place. How appropriately named. So that was about 20 counts down.
I'm going to move the boat back around to the back here again. And
20 counts down, and then strip out the slack. And then I stopped it, and as soon as that fly stopped, that fish was on it.